no see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on, we saw no one.
Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Ella! Ella! Nyla! Hey! 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 Hey!
I already looked at it.
Over here, we have hot girl party right after, so I'm moving things. I just we have Tovia.
So why are you crying?
Tovia right just yeah. Rennet right just hot girl Sasha Gay.
Is it a secret?
I don't know. So I go on for today, we are go on the water.
Okay, but
you don't know which part we are going, you reach today, we just have this.
So guys, sorry about that. We had to stop the vlog because Ziggy's sister was on the phone. But anyways, welcome back to another day with us. Look who's with us! This is Ziggy's other sister. I don't know if you guys ever see. Yes, you guys have. Video call. I think that's it. I think it was just a video call. But anyway, she surprised us down here. Remember I was mentioning that the other day. So yeah, we're just gonna be spending Christmas together.
That means Rennet literally catch everybody.
Alright, surprise everybody?
Yeah, it's because surprise Spally because Spally don't know nothing. Right?
Yeah.
Camilo, you know what's here coming?
I'm saying he know in that last.
So right now we're on our way to this place called Strawberry Fields in St. Mary. Randomly stumbled across it on TikTok. So that's where we're heading right now to spend the day. So they have like, I don't know if it's a beach or a river.
They never had meet up here.
I don't know if it's a beach or a river, and then they also have food. So that's what we're doing right now. So we'll just catch you guys when we are there.
I'm done. Yeah.
How much about this? Breakfast?
You're asking the wrong person. I'm coming. How much is the beads? Huh? How much?
Yeah man, Jamaica. You know we're just trying on the side, you know? We got like bracelet, anklet.
Yeah, Jamaican there.
You know man, we are some man. Check it out, beautiful. No earrings. Keychains, keychains out. Right there, chain, come on up a look.
Let me see, you have a chain? What's your name? Tell me your name. CJ. So guys, this is CJ. Well, make sure you guys come check him out and support him. Look at him hustling. You're hustling?
One love, you know? I in Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, I love you. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice.
Big up your guys, though.
Yeah, well.
Okay, what do you say now?
My price is $5.
$5? Is it a bracelet or a chain?
Anklet.
Oh,
more like an anklet. So that's an anklet and that's an anklet.
Oh. But you
so when you say beautiful, you don't want to have a look? Alright, check it out now.
Ask him if you have the necklace.
See what I got. Necklace, I make those.
Oh, you made these?
Yeah, man. That and that for 20. Both
no, but it's not for me, you know.
Yeah, man, no problem.
What you do?
What you want to get for?
My dad.
What you buy? What you want? Just
but
a chain?
He said specifically he wanted the bead one. Just a chain, just a chain.
Yeah, so just take a chain.
Oops, sorry. How much is this though?
So that's what I'm saying. I don't want to give
No, we don't want the bracelet.
It's 20 for that, you know, but I want to give you the bracelet with it. That's what I'm saying. I made those.
Ziggy.
Like you can put this, push it out and take off this.
How much is a grand?
$10.
$10
American? I ain't got American.
So you say you don't want this funny?
No. Maybe he'll wear it, I don't know. I'll just get
I see him.
Yeah, man, a peace sign, you know. I'll take you more than that. That's good.
That's
change for just.
I change, man.
No, like we have no US. I'm not from America. I don't have US, so I have Jamaican.
Oh, Jamaican. Okay,
yeah. Thank you, CJ.
No problem.
Bye.
Rennet, how you go? You're afraid if you jump over there.
Alright.
What you even drop out? Which part? How far me I go?
Oh, I don't want him to go down there, sir.
Where me I go?
fighting, boy, come find me. Your eyes hurt me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try most likely?
Trying to see if you can handle the sex. Trying to give us a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random affection. Probably thinking I'm attacking it. Oh, but you a fan of the man. See like a delicacy. I heard from a friend of a friend that thing was a 10 out of 10.
I can't stand it just one night.
Take with the drink and me say it. Tell me what you can for me to do it.
Please slap me, choke me, right.
Oh, wait, I can take it. Don't fuck with what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Ask me what it's like. I don't got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby.
I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby.
It will go what direction?
This way to the office.
Oh, go. Just go.
Guys, we finally reached. That was like
Nisha doesn't want to get out.
the drive alone into this place took like an hour, no boost, or maybe like half an hour.
No, because Uncle Ziggy go run over before they pick up.
That was a pigeon. No, the water is rough.
Right there.
We finally reached to the place. Everyone had to use the washroom so bad. The drive into this place literally took like a whole freaking hour. The roads were so bad. Not only that, the water looks so rough. But they have food here, so in a bit I'll kind of show you guys how the place is. We're just trying to like pay to come in, and once we're settled in, I'll come back on and kind of give you guys like a, well, I guess I capture what I can here. Oh my, look at the cat's face. Half the cat's face is gone. What the hell?
What are that?
So the water, huh?
What are that?
I don't know, it's something off the tree. So it looks like they have like a little jerk center here. This is like their cafe and grill area, and then they have this. No food? Okay, they have no food. If she pays, she pay right now. They have no food. Did you pay? You pay already? You pay?
No, I'm about to pay here.
They have no food. Nisha? Yeah.
I watch you from Petites.
Oh, really? Yeah. How are you? Okay. Big up yourself.
That's actually the point. Oh. Come now. Uncle Ziggy come. Come on. Come.
So someone just I guess recognized, well, she she recognized me off of Sue's channel. Big up yourself, Sue. You guys already know Sue is gone soon, is international. So happy for her, so happy. Yeah, so we're just trying to figure out the food part right now because they close at 5 and it's only 3:46. So we're a little confused. 2 fried fish, 1 steamed fish for Polly. What did you order?
What did you get?
Fry. So 3 fry, 1 steamed, 2 jerk chicken. I'll share my fish with no, but we need 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So jerk chicken. So guys, if you guys come here, just keep in mind that the lunch hours is 12 noon to 3 p.m. But right now they're kind of giving us like a blah. Thank you, Jesus. The bag. The towel in the bag. Huh? There's sand down there, but it's like a little bit of water there.
See the cat.
Yeah.
Down here. Yes, I see it.
You seen the cat?
Yeah.
Yeah, his face, half his face is like gone.
No, I don't.
Yes. You just can't see it. Half his face, some of his face is gone, but you just can't see it. But yeah, we just ordered our food. We're gonna try to go in the water, even though the water, yeah, the water is kind of looking rough, looking real rough. Like that water looks rough.
Yeah. The cat, mommy.
Oh, the black thing?
Yeah. Can I hold this? Let me look at the cat.
Hold my hand. Come.
Sweet, they're like so later. They're babies.
Yeah.
I got some over there.
Tell probably looks so serious. Wait, I'm trying to find the light. Hold on. Yeah, this way is better. 1, 2, 3. So guys, this is the beach. Strawberry fields, huh? Look at this girl scared. What are you scared of? Just stand right here, it can't catch you. Come. So nice though.
So how did it come from? Yeah, what was the water?
Zodia, is it cold? It's cold? Get Ayla. Ayla's not even scared. Yeah.
What happened?
You're going in? You still want the picture?
Yeah.
Now let's stay here. Or you want to go back up to Polly? I'm going right here. You can come right here. It's not gonna do nothing, Mama. Come. You want to sit right here? Come right here. Here, walk right here.
Can it come up here?
Yeah, just no. It can't come up here.
How?
How?
Yeah.
Why are you so scared? Tell the vloggers why you're so scared.
Because I like the one that's a semester.
Okay, come right here. There's Polly. Polly, you're coming. The water's nice. Over here.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
Watch if you're smart.
we end up reach a little bit late and thing, and yeah, you can do it back way. Yeah. But yeah, we just we kinda reach late, but the greatest thing, whole family I enjoy themselves in the water a little bit, you know. Polly are going easy, but Polly say, "Wale, Polly!" I haven't seen her at the beach in so long. Like her big sister there, so see her there. Go and go swim, Polly. All this time now, I never want to go in the water. Where you find treasure? Find treasure? Burn it, you don't look like you wet up it.
I'm wet. Come on,
Yo, so see that? Jano, I tell you to reach a late, but in our little way it's like it can like you never too late, because I tell you say it can like your family come in, come get a good vibes off the beach. Everybody gonna wash off, because as I said them close by 5 o'clock today, so then them close off everything. So just in case if I not go come here, so number one on the left out from early. You get me? Number two, just know say it's gonna be a long drive. You get me? And always just try to reach here before roughly say 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, because I guess them kitchen close off at 4. So you have to reach in time so them can have enough time to cook up your food for whatever you want. Now I'm showing you food, I want to go and just me look properly. But see it see me. Beach side look nice. You know? Nice little view and showing you what going on. So you enter from here, sir, come straight down and you just end up right down. Come down from here, sir, go straight over the next side and you have to wall yourself for yourself. Nice little area, you know? So yeah, that'll go on. And that I say, just as I say, everybody gonna fresh up and wash off the salt water. Because as I said, they close off the pipe at 5, see me. So if you reach here, see me, and go get ready or whatever, just get ready before 5 o'clock. Because once you reach 5 o'clock, I guess everything lock off, shut off completely. So, food proper, you know? Everybody will go have a feast. Knees, what's him, you're a foodie. See everybody there. Fat up their face. Hey! 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 Take the water. You should be drinking water. Sasha Gay, what's up? Good? Huh? How was your day? Good so far? Kinda. Oh yeah, you want to stay longer? That's where you go. Satan. Why, Miss Jackie? Jackie.
Funny way you answer. You need to have the answer.
Mama!
That's a mini villa by the answer. So I'm more upper there. Fish water is slimy.
He's a mama.
Mommy, look at that cat coming out of them.
Try to put the palm.
But you just have it on us eating. Catch some of you too.
Should
brought my tripod. Should brought my tripod.
get some.
Wait.
What is that? A chicken salad. From 81st Deli.
Chicken what?
Chicken salad.
Oh, what's that?
I want to check some. It's a chicken salad.
Chicken salad? Oh. You can get a chicken salad.
From where?
No.
81st Deli.
What's that?
Y'all need, y'all need to get one of these.
No,
Y'all need to get one of these, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Y'all need to get one of these.
What's that?
A chicken salad. From 81st Deli.
Yeah. From Strawberry Field.
And so, yes sir. Nah, like that, everything is
Let me try this.
Are you?
I scared you. Thank God.
Yes, thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God. Say.
Thank God. This nigga's church hat for me.
vibes, proper.
We just finished eating now we're on our way back home.
Yo,
we
we reach a little bit
earlier.
earlier.
Yeah, we should come earlier. We'll reach here like up.
Oh, so you can see us.
We reach here. What time we reach here? After
3.
After 3.
Anything.
Yeah. Yes. See there.
That was nice. So guys, it also so it also looks like they have little like cabins and stuff here. So if you guys want to check it out, we are in the place is called Strawberry Field St. Mary. You guys can check it out. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. Yeah, they have little shout out to the chef. Even though the kitchen was closed, she still cooked for us. But the place is really nice, I'm not gonna lie. At first we were kind of like, you know, but talk to me, yeah. Oh, they keep changing the time. Strawberry Field in St. Mary. I'll link all the information to this place in the description box down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you guys back when we're home. Yeah, Zodi. Go down low, Zodi. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, Nala, your turn, Nala. Hey.
You know, see how we alone. Look forward, we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.